Okay, yes. So welcome to the quick outlook on gold. So this is update from the weekend analysis. So I'm going to update few things because I already see market has already hit the target that I was looking in my weekend analysis. So market was very quick. So it has spent like one day with several hours. So it's not exactly 2 days to hit the target that I was looking for. So now in my analysis, so you can go back and see what I said now and what I was expecting in gold now this week. So I was expecting to see price moving to around 2050. So around 2050. But now in my platform, I see price stand at 2048. So actually, very few points toward my target. But all in all, market has moved within the projection, and actually a lot of profits have been made because everything was clear in a weekend analysis. So now if the target has reached, so in my weekend analysis I said after hitting the 2050, so the next move is the sell. So actually I want to update and provide clear consideration on how you are going to take sales and what are the factors for those expected sales. So now I'll start with the daily time frame. So I'm not going to go deeper into weekly and monthly because they will remain the same as it was in a weekend analysis. So basically you see the channels. So I have altered them, but exactly they mean the same thing. So we have this one, the upper channel and the lower channel. So price now today tried to move outside of the channel, but it has turned and we have left with just 3 hours for the daily candle to close. So in most cases, it's going to close within a channel. So this will be a clear indicator of this upper channel holding true, rejecting price to the downside. So we expect even the next candle will never close above this channel. So in most cases, if we see the next candle closing within a channel, so that will be the powerful sell, powerful sell, powerful sell. And also we see the dynamic resistance here. So you see, so price tried to retest several times in previous week. So even this week, price tried to hit this break above, but it has failed and is turning now. It is below this level. So this is the clear indicator that we have many sellers that are entering the market at this region. So that's powerful in daily time frame. So we're looking for sales. Then as I go down, we'll be looking on the entries now. How are you going to take entries? So when I go to 4-hour time frame, so we have left with just 33 minutes for the 4-hour time frame candle to close. Now this is based on my platform, so you can have your own platform that may have your 4-hour candle already closed. So basically you see now we had this powerful buy candle. So now this was in the final move, and I shared the update on Telegram discussion group about the possible slight push or short-term push to the downside, and finally to have a powerful completion of the upward move. So basically, a short move to the downside didn't happen exactly as how I expected, but the upward move has happened. So basically, this powerful movement to the upside is just in completion of the expected upward move in wave C. So if you watch my previous analysis, so it is like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was talking about the possible ABC to the upside. So basically, the ABC has already completed. So currently, we have some factors for selling. So we see now factors for selling. We have this bullish candle. So the next candle is bearish, and actually we have left with 31 minutes for this candle to close, and is most likely to close with an engulfing form. So the bearish candle is going to engulf this bullish candle. So basically this is a clear indicator of a sell. And also I developed this level on weekend, and I had this one, the falling thing, and also the rising one. So all of them, they intersect at this region. So forget about this downward here. I'm going to talk about this the below line here, but basically consider these 3 things here. So you'll find that price has respected those 3 things here. I talked about them in my weekend analysis. So price tried to move up, but it is pushing to the downside and it's going to close below. So this is a clear indicator of continuation of sell from this level. So let me finish with the 1 hour time frame to see now a clear entry, the possible entries. So from all the factors that I've shared in higher time frames now. In 1 hour time frame, it's where we can take ourselves. So you see, even in our 1 hour time frame, we have the engulfing thing. So this one is longer than the previous one. So in most cases, we expect continuation of sell. So in other ways, what I can say, from the current price movement, now price can move in any way to the upside, but we don't expect to see price breaking this swing high. So you can sell at any point when you find confirmations if price is pushing to the upside. So you can sell at any point, because I'm not sure with the 30 minutes and 15, but basically if this movement to the downside is completed, so we can have correction, the ABC to the upside. So straightforward, from tomorrow we can see some corrections to the upside that cannot break this level, but all in all, whenever the price goes up, you can take some sells. So we expect it will be a very long sell, and yes, I have provided a level here. So in the current sales, you can sell now. Your first target should be at the level of 2007, around the level of 2007. But maximum, I expect to see price trading to the levels of 1987 in any way. So around those levels. So that's the level where we'll be trading, and mostly this will be next week. But for this week, let's target around 2007. So that's powerful. Now, those entries are just sells. So in other ways, you can do something like this. I have presented this lower channel here. So you can watch for a possible break. You can watch for a break and the retest of the channel. Then once this happens, so the remaining are the sells. So you'll be selling at every pullback. So that's powerful. That's how we're going to do in an update, or now this is just addition of what I said in a weekend analysis. So thank you for your time.